Hello and welcome to this Stock in Focus update with WCM Investment Management. Today I'm joined by Brian Huerta from WCM. Thanks for joining us, Brian.
Thanks for having me, Tom.
Today we're talking about a company called Stryker. Can you tell us a bit about what they do, Brian?
Yes, Stryker is a US-based medical device company that is supplying equipment and services to hospitals, surgery centers, and surgeons to help them perform their surgeries. Now, the real crown jewel in the business is their orthopedic division. And there, they've spent millions of dollars over the last several years making these robots to help surgeons for robot-assisted surgeries. So we think they're going to benefit from a couple of different things. One is just aging demographics globally, but also the interest in people to remain active in their later years and later in life and well through retirement. So we think they're really well positioned to benefit from that.
And how did they deal through the pandemic with halting elective surgeries?
For us, we think it's just a matter of when, not if someone is going to need a hip or knee replacement. So really thinking like a long-term investor, because we do believe that these elective surgeries will come back.
What's the competitive advantage like at Stryker?
Well, they have an excellent history and reputation. They have global breadth, product breadth, but probably what is most important is just their history of innovation. They are the leaders, the undisputed leader in innovation, specifically around orthopedics, and this robot system called Mako, which is enabling hospitals to get better economics on those surgeries, and enabling the surgeon to be more precise and have better outcomes for their patients.
What's the culture like within Stryker?
This is probably one of the most commercially minded sales forces that we know, and they're able to just attract some of the best people within the industry, and they hold these people accountable, but they're very good at what they do. And so they've spent years developing relationships with the surgery centers, the surgeons, and they're able to to deliver the best products and understand what those surgeons and hospitals need as they provide more products for their customers. Having that proximity to their client and having those years of relationship development really gives their culture a real advantage versus their competitors.
Thanks for your time, Brian.
Thank you, Tom.